Good morning. How we doing this morning? I hope that you guys are having a great week. I received a lot of feedback from the video that I did yesterday when I was talking about how I believe expectations can actually push away, have a magnetic effect, like two opposing magnets, if our expectations are not aligned with where we're at. And I talked about, the experiences I've seen where people who have had something that limits their expectations all of a sudden have a big breakthrough. Well, I got asked the question yesterday afternoon, what if I'm not the person that something outside of myself limits my expectation, realigns those expectations? Can I manually do that? And here's my take on it. I believe the best way to keep expectations in alignment comes down to having a good measuring system, a good evaluation system of where you're really at, so you can keep that perspective aligned with where you're physically at right now. And a lot of times, here's what I see. Most people's evaluations are based on opinions from themselves. And a lot of it is other people. So if you really want to keep your expectations in alignment, I think the key is measurement, a good, solid evaluation based on facts, not opinions, because that's where it gets all out of whack. People start putting in a lot of work, and then all of a sudden their opinion of what's going on and the valuation that creates just gets everything out of whack. So, think about that a little bit. Do you really base where you're at, your expectations, based on measurements, on actual facts? Or is a lot of it based on opinions? I'd like to get your thoughts on that. If you have an opinion on that or some factual information on that, please share it. So I appreciate the feedback. You guys have a great Wednesday, and I will see you tomorrow.